last question is supposed to be a fun one. It sounds like every day is kind of a celebration where you are. Tell us how you like to celebrate with your staff. And this could be anything, somebody is caregiver of the month, or somebody is, just has done a great job, or is it whatever, some celebration. How do you guys celebrate?
So for our caregiver of the month, like and the way we like to do it, so we'll actually like have someone come to the home office, like and so that always kind of like they get like a little nervous,
Yeah.
like but like because we'll be like, all right, come on this day at this time, and they'll come and they don't really know why, and then but when they come in to the room, we have like a confetti cannon, and we'll like launch the confetti cannon, and like confetti goes all over the room. And then like it's usually like at that point in time we kind of like congratulations, and we will like thank that person for being our we call them our so we have our WOW awards, and then we have our All-Star of the month. So like we'll have our All-Star of the month, and the All-Star of the month is like that person that just like always kind of like stands out, follows all of our core values, and is just kind of like one of those like people that you would hope that anyone else would identify like they have all the attributes of like someone that makes makes for all those good qualities for our team, so we'll give them an award, which will kind of like is like a little placard thing. We'll give them $50 like check or whatever, and then they'll be and then we'll like we'll usually have like a lunch that day, or like we'll have some sort of meal that day that we'll celebrate with them, so if we can get them to the home office, like that's the best way to we like to kind of
that's awesome.
Celebrate, so, and we're working on some different things. Like I feel like that's one thing, like when it comes to home care, especially, is like trying to find unique ways to bridge the gap between like the team in the field and the team in the office, and help them, make them feel more part of the whole company.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.